In ancient lore, the tale of the Great Flood is one shared across many cultures, symbolizing destruction and rebirth. At its core, the story is about humanity's second chance. It begins with a world engulfed in corruption, where human actions threatened the fabric of life itself. The divine response was a deluge so overwhelming it promised to cleanse the world of its flaws. But amidst the chaos, a beacon of hope emerged, the Ark, a vessel of salvation. It carried not just remnants of life, but the seed of a fresh start. Post-flood, humanity was granted an opportunity to rebuild, to learn from past transgressions and embrace a future rooted in harmony and respect. The flood serves as a timeless reminder, even in our gravest errors, hope for redemption endures.